Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you a huge home decor thrift haul. I've been doing a ton of thrifting lately, so I've collected a lot of stuff to share with you guys. I hope this video inspires anybody that hasn't gone thrifting already to get out there, shop secondhand, have an open mind, and find all the best pieces for your home at the best prices. And if you already are a thrifter, I hope this gives you some new ideas on what you should look for next time you're thrifting. I know thrifting can sometimes seem very overwhelming with the amount of stuff in the store, the size of the store. Sometimes they're really messy. So if you go in there with a plan and shop for very specific things, I think you can find exactly what you're looking for. I love to go in stores to find lamps, frames, ceramics, baskets, and small furniture finds, but I usually do all of my clothing thrifting online using ThredUp. So thank you so much to ThredUp for sponsoring today's video. ThredUp is an online thrifting consignment store that sells women's and children's clothing and accessories. They carry thousands of brands and have new arrivals coming in every single day, so there's always something new to find on ThredUp. I even found this Zara button-up wrap dress on ThredUp. I love linen button-up wrap dresses, especially for the summer, and this has an estimated retail value of $46, and I found it on ThredUp for just $18.99. I found this entire outfit and the shoes on ThredUp. This is such a cute lightweight top. It's a Wilfred top that has an estimated retail value of $71, and I got it on ThredUp for just $21.99. I got these Zara jeans that literally fit perfectly. These have an estimated retail value of $49, and I got them on ThredUp for just $26.99. And then I found these cute sandals. These are Abercrombie sandals. They were actually new with tags, so they've never been worn. They have an estimated retail value of $39, and I found them on ThredUp for just $20.99. And then I wanted some things for cozy summer nights, so I got this John Galt sweater. It has an estimated retail value of $32, and I got it on ThredUp for just $16.99. This is a CB Cheryl Burke t-shirt, and it has an estimated retail value of $36, and I got it on ThredUp for just $17.99. And then to take this from day to night, I got this cozy jacket from Zara. I love these plaid jackets. They're perfect for every single season, so I just had to get another one. This has an estimated retail value of $71, and I got it on ThredUp for just $40.99. I think it's the easiest way to thrift clothing because you can search by brand, size, color, specific product, so you can find exactly what you're looking for. You can get 30% off your first ThredUp order plus free shipping using my code McGowan. I'll have the link to that down below in the description box so you guys can shop as well. Now, something you should always try to thrift are lamps, table lamps and floor lamps. I just found this really beautiful table lamp for just $4.99. I can't even believe it. It looks very antique. I love this tapered top. It's a little bit warped, but I think I can fix it. I might even rub and buff the entire lamp because I think I could kind of change the brass look of it and come up with a little bit more of a modern finish. It has these little clawfoot feet and the lampshade actually moves up and down. All you have to do when you're thrifting lamps is either bring your own light bulb or find a light bulb from a different lamp and test out the lamp to see if it works. So this one luckily works. I'm so excited about it, and I think it would just make such a beautiful accent piece on top of a console or a desk. It's just really unique, and I've never seen anything like it. So scope out the lamps when you're thrifting. I think it's so worth it. I have found some of my favorite lamps around my entire house at the thrift store. Now, I don't normally thrift throw pillows, but I do thrift throw blankets. I usually find really pretty knit throw blankets at the thrift store, and they're good quality and heavy and large, and you can get them for a great price. So I found this beautiful sage green throw blanket for $9.99. I'm pretty sure I saw this at Target a little bit ago and missed my chance to get it. So again, thrifting allows you to get that second chance on the things you might like, but I love this blanket. This is like my accent color for the entire house, so I can put this in every room and I know it's gonna work out. I love the chunky knit, and it's literally the perfect throw blanket, so I'll just throw it through the wash so it's good to go. Now here's one that won't shock you. I found all of these baskets, all different shapes and sizes for different purposes. Thrifting baskets is the easiest. They're at every single thrift store in abundance, and you can find them in every color, shape, and size. I love baskets. They're perfect for tidying, organizing, decorating. They add that warmth and texture you need. I love this little one. It's like a little tray basket, 2 little handles, a nice edge. This type of basket would be perfect for organizing and kind of lining up remotes or gathering products on a countertop in your kitchen or your bathroom. It's just a great kind of tidying mechanism. that's also decorative at the same time. I found this for $2.99, and then I had to pick these baskets up. These are actually pretty much new with tags. They're from Target originally, and I just think they're so cute. They're little egg baskets, so they're perfect for Easter and that type of thing. I also thought they would be really cute as little pendant lights. You could kind of DIY something with these. I love woven light fixtures, and you can find pieces like this at the thrift store and make a woven light fixture for a way better price. Now, I had to get this basket. It looks perfect for a bottle of wine, don't you think? It's $3.99, and I just think it looks like a little picnic basket. It's so cute. I don't have one that's this shape, so I think this is perfect. Now, this is a good basket. This is like a good for everything basket. You can put it in your cupboards, you can leave it out. It's something that fits a ton of stuff, but it's gonna hide all the clutter away behind the basket wall. So I think these are amazing. This giant basket was just $3.99. Ooh, and then this long basket, I can imagine it filled with towels, toilet paper, anything really. And again, this was $3.99. So look how affordable these baskets are. These would be like $50 anywhere else. So I highly recommend, if you're looking for baskets around your home, for organizing projects, for decorating, definitely try thrifting them before you go anywhere else. Another great thing I found to hide some clutter are these fake books. This literally opens up to be a box, so I can hide a bunch of cluttery stuff in there, close it up, and use it as decor. So this is perfect for leaving out on any kind of surface. Maybe your front entryway, if you want to hide your keys away and make it look a little bit more tidy, you can hide it away in little boxes like this. I find fake books every time I go to the thrift store, so I'm sure you guys would be able to too. This little stack here was just $2.99. And then I also picked up some real books. Books are a great thing to thrift as well. You can add height and decor and color to your home through thrifted books, and they're always really, really cheap. So first I found this book. I loved how old the pages look. I love this dusty blue color. It works perfectly for my home, so I had to get this book. And then I found this book. And my plan for this is actually to take off the sleeve completely, and then you're just left with this really pretty hardcover book. I love the linen cover. You have this beautiful gold print at the side, and stacking these two together, it's instant decor. So check out the book section. This is such an easy way to decorate your home. You can throw a candle on top, layer this into your coffee table, and it's literally the most affordable way to decorate your home. I always search for hardcover books, check the spines, check everything to see if the color scheme is gonna work for your home. But these are so perfect and such a great deal. I think I got both of them for just $2. Another thing I always find while thrifting are vases and ceramics. If you're looking to layer in some height and texture and color into your home, thrift some vases. I love all of these. I found these tiny little vases that are perfect for just kind of adding into things, layering onto books, adding in some texture here and there, but I love the color of these. That's why I bought them. You can put one tiny stem in there, you can leave them empty, and I think they're so cute. I found this one for $1 and this one for $2.99. And then I also found these two, and I don't know if I'd actually put stems or flowers in these. I just like them because they're sculptural. I like the color of them, the shape of them, and these are just easy to put on shelves and surfaces and decorate your home in a really affordable way. So if you're looking to kind of fill some gaps around your home, vases will definitely do that. Now, another section that you cannot miss while thrifting is the dishware section. You can find full glassware sets, plates, bowls, literally everything you need for your kitchen. So I think if you're moving into your first apartment or your first home and you're trying to cut costs on dishes and thrift your dishes. All you have to do is wash them and they're good to go. I already have full sets of dishes, but I like to thrift little things that I can add to my kitchen. I found 4 of these dishes, and these were $1.99 each, and they're perfect for sides. I feel like I see these at restaurants all the time. They're the perfect little size to throw mashed potatoes and vegetables and all the little side dishes you want. So if you're ever hosting a dinner party, you can have the perfect side dishes. I also found these bowls, and these are just the prettiest bowls. I love this speckle on them. They're actually terracotta bowls, and they just feel so special. I got them for 99 cents each, and I just think these are so pretty. If you have open shelving in your home and you want more decorative, special dishes, you can find special things like this while thrifting. The dishware section is always one of my favorites. I find mugs and bowls and all the dishes I need for my kitchen at the thrift store. I also found this little half and half dish. I found this for $4.99. I thought it would be perfect for sides, dinner parties. I have found every single platter I think I have in my entire kitchen at the thrift store. It's all pretty much brand new in perfect condition. Ooh, this was a good find. This is a wood Lazy Susan that I found for $5.99. I love that it's not plastic. Every other Lazy Susan that I have in my home, any little turntable, is plastic. So it's something that I would maybe use in my pantry or fridge, but something like this can stay out in a bathroom or a dinner table, and you can use it to find exactly what you're looking for. So I love Lazy Susans like this. If you find them while thrifting, definitely pick them up. Now, I also found this little wood floating shelf. Now, it's very antique looking, which I really like. It brings in that kind of old world touch, and I think it could actually work really great in a bathroom or a kitchen. I like that it's something that you can put products on. It has the little rail, and it's just a floating shelf, and I got it for $2.99. It's really good quality wood. I can stain it, paint it, but I actually kind of like the dark tone of it. If you want to bring those warm wood tones into your home, thrifting them is pretty easy because there is a ton of wood pieces at the thrift store. Now, if you're trying to put some art up on your walls, maybe create a gallery wall, definitely go to the thrift store. You can find amazing frames and art pieces for a steal. I actually found this really cute piece, and I bought it specifically for the frame because usually I go in there looking for frames, I ignore the art inside, but this piece, I actually like the whole thing now. I love the gold ornate frame. I actually really like the painting inside. It's this really pretty watercolor painting, and it has a lot of texture in it, has all the colors I like, and I actually really like this colored mat. It actually works perfectly with my bedroom, but I highly recommend thrifting art. I think it's the most affordable way of really getting a full decorated look in your home without spending a ton of money. Every single gallery wall I've made in my home, I always have thrifted frames, thrifted art in there, because it just makes it so much easier and so much more affordable to get that look for less. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas on what you can look for next time you're at the thrift store. Let me know down below in the comments, what's something you go out thrifting for all the time? Is it dishes? Is it furniture? Is it baskets? Or is it clothing? If it is clothing, make sure you guys check out ThredUp. You guys can get 30% off your first ThredUp order plus free shipping using my code McGowan. I'll have that link down below in the description box so you guys can find all the best things as well. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!